Good morning, everyone. It's about 3 a.m. and we got a little snowstorm. We're checking on Nick here. Morning. How are you?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Could be better.
Nope, it's not a camera mount. I'm sitting on the front of the truck right now. Jesus Christ, don't trying to kill me. I said don't move it. Alright, you can finish. Pretty good shot though. Here, give me a ride back.
I kind of wanted you to jog back again.
No, I was thinking
I like watching you run. Damn, now I gotta do another pass down the middle there.
Ooh. Ooh, sorry. Alright, well, you have fun with that. Bye. Well, that's a problem. So what are the odds that my key fell out of my pocket when I was sitting on the front of the truck? Pretty high. That would be awesome. Worst case, Nick could take me back to get my spare, but I really hope I didn't lose that key. Ay. I lost my key. I think it's when I ran down there. So now I gotta try and find it. Yeah, just give me like 2 seconds. Sorry. Well, that sucks. I haven't even been out here for 10 minutes yet. I'm already losing stuff. I can't find it anywhere. So I'm just gonna have Nick give me a ride back to my house. I'll grab my spare, go on about my day. That's really annoying though. I know not to do that again. Run with my keys in my sweatshirt pocket. God, that was stupid. So Nick just brought me home. Got my spare set of keys. I can't believe I did that. I'm so stupid. That was dumb. But it is what it is. I can't worry about it. But we're gonna run out, probably see Eli or Mike right now. Check in on them, see how they're doing. Morning, sweetheart.
Morning.
What's your quote? What's your quote of the day?
It's gonna snow. Just
If it's gonna snow, just now.
Just snow. Just freezing rain and
Oh
shit.
yeah, the freezing rain. I'm not about it.
You're a little late.
Jeez, look at you. Oh, what, you got a deal after this or something?
You know me, baby.
So, get this.
Oh, here we go.
I run down to the end of the parking lot to get a shot of Nick. I get back in my truck, realize I don't have my key. So I start looking in the parking lot like a dumbass, thinking I'm gonna find my key in the snow. So I tell Nick, I say, my house is 2 minutes away. Let me hop in, drive me home, I'll grab my key, bring me back. Go to my house, he drops me off. I look out the window, he drives away. He just leaves me at my house. I had my key, I didn't have my phones.
Oh my God.
I called you from my computer. Yeah, I had to FaceTime you from my MacBook. I call him, I go, are you stupid? He goes, oh. He goes, I already got 2 passes in.
Yeah, no, that's what he said. He goes, I got 2 good passes in. This morning, just not my morning.
Yeah.
He's like, well, I'm just dumb this morning. I don't know what's going on.
Look at this asshole. Plowing his driveway. Leaving stuff in the middle of the road.
Put salt in the road.
Hey, asshole.
Hey, prick.
Don't leave your snow in the road.
Yeah, fuck you. Cauliflower, motherfucker. Yeah. Steel body. That was
Morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
Good.
Any quotes for the camera? Nothing.
Nope.
Nothing.
Not this hour.
How's it going?
Pretty smooth, I guess.
We're gonna hang out here for a quick sec, get some video of the 259. Haven't been up here the last couple storms, so figured we get some video for you guys. Got that shot just in time. We drove across town here. Casey was supposed to be here, but I guess I'm gonna have to go meet him. He's at property about 2 minutes away. So I haven't got any footage of him the last few storms, so figured I owe it to him. But once we're finished up here, meet with him, and then we might pop back over, see Eli, and then that'll be a wrap. How are you doing on this fine morning?
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
I'm good.
Got me shoveling out here.
What's your quote of the day?
Quote of the day?
Yeah, I didn't get one from you last storm. I haven't seen you the last 2 storms.
No matter how much it snows, I'm charging you.
Nice. Well, I just came to get some quick footage of you and then I'm out of here, so. So don't hit any curbs.
I already did that. I got that out.
As long as you got that out of the way, then you're good. Look at that. Right along the curb line. Beautiful. I don't think you guys have ever seen this site. This is another urgent care we do. We do a couple of them. The one that you guys know is just one at the town center that's done with the skid steer, but we got a couple of them around that we do with trucks as well. So they finished up a few of the other contracts I wanted to show you guys, so I guess we'll just have to save those for another storm, but that's all right. It's only January 23rd today, 24th, so should have plenty of snow still coming. Maybe. I don't know how I feel about that, but if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, then hey, that's fine too. You slacking again? Hanging out at the gas station with Mike. What a surprise.
I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted? You've been up for what? 3 hours?
No, all day actually.
Oh yeah.
Honestly.
Alright, let's do this stupid video. Go for it. Wait, oh. Alright, go slow though. Slower than you would. What's up, what's up?
Yeah.
What flavor do you want?
It's not really here.
Yeah.
Put a little of all of it in there. Make it nice and colorful.
Oh, oh, oh.
No, you're not getting big enough one, man.
Jesus.
Come on. If you're gonna do this, put it in fucking here. Quit making a goddamn mess. Pain in the ass.
He's helping.
Run the Slurpee guy, show you how to do it. Roll this one. Roll that one.
But everything.
Make a mess. And you gotta stir it all up.
We're not napkins, Mike.
There's some over there. I'll clean it. And now what you have to do first is take a big sip of it and then whip it at it.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta get my wallet. Unless you got money. You got 12 cents for me? Huh?
It's the best $1.83 you spent today.
I know.
Yeah, it's gone straight.
You're gonna be
to
viral tomorrow. Go, you're f***ing drinking it?
You're supposed to take one sip and then whip it.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, ruining the video. Now you gotta whip out of here. Oh my god, we're so stupid. But I'm pulling into the bank here. Just gonna throw the GoPro right on top of the skid steer, and then should be a wrap. Should be done. I don't know why I turned my truck off. Skid steer's clean.
Yeah, just had to smash it and it comes out.
A little red, but I don't know where that came from.
That's why I had somebody on the way here.
Any closing remarks?
Kind of sucks. We were hoping for more.
Yeah, but at least we got something.
At least we got something.
Yeah. It's supposed to snow Sunday too.
Well, I guess see you guys Sunday, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe we'll pull them out then. Who knows? But I'm probably gonna close the video out here. Nothing else to really do. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you Sunday, hopefully.